Welcome back to LearnWire. Today we're going to be looking at Mootion. This is a brand new software that just hit AppSumo, and this software allows you to transform anything into pro-level videos. Essentially, you can paste your script into the software and it will create AI footage and match that with your voiceover. We're going to be taking a look at this. We'll take a look at what the pricing is, and we've already got some reviews coming in. Looks like they've got about a 4-star rating with the first 4 reviews, and this just launched a few hours ago at the time of recording this video. So we can scroll down here and just take a look right away at the pricing. License tier 1 is $69, license tier 2 is $129, and license tier 3 is $249. Obviously, the credits go up drastically per license or tier that you choose. You have your character prompts all stay the same, except for license tier 3, it more than doubles. And then your size assets, you've got 12 gigabytes, 25 gigabytes, and then 115 gigabytes. I do like that there's an all-in on this tool at license tier 3 for just under $250. That's pretty good. And then the prioritized generation right over here, you won't get that on license tier 1, but you will get that on license tier 2 and license tier 3. Let's go take a look at some more stuff. There's limited voiceovers and unlimited voiceovers. You do not get those on Mootion tier 1. But we go over here to license tier 2. The only thing that you're getting canceled out right here is unlimited voiceovers. We go over here to license tier 3, you're going to get everything right there. We come and look at the founder's scorecard right over here. This has been founded since June 1st, 2024, so over a year in development. I like to look at least 12 months or older. That's looking pretty good and pretty strong. It's based out of Hong Kong. They've got over 10 employees. That's a good sign. They're in the growth stage, Series A, and they do have a LinkedIn profile right there. On the sales page, what I like to do is come over here and take a look at the traffic. And very interesting on this software, they have 729,000 monthly visits going to this software. They have already proven that they have a great tool. The fact that they've been in development for just over 12 months and that they already have over 700,000 visitors going to their site per month shows that they already know about customer acquisition. They've already built a really, really solid company. So just if I had to go based off of before even testing out the software, I really like what I'm seeing so far just based on, I can tell a lot about a software based on the traffic that they're getting to their site. This is one of the most impressive that I've seen so far. I'm excited to see what this tool can do. Let's go jump into the software. I'm gonna go log into my account real quick. We've got a very easy login access right there. And it's got a simple user interface. I like that there's only a few things up here that you can do. It tells you what plan you're on. I'm on tier 3 right over here, the pro plan, 8,000 credits per month. And you have your settings over here. You can go to and see what subscription or purchase a subscription, buy more credits. So I like that they're satisfying, any way that you want to buy more credits and use the tool. They're allowing you to buy credit packs. They're allowing you to get a subscription monthly plan. You can give feedback. They've got an FAQ and they have some different programs, an educational program and affiliate program, and that's where you can sign out. So now we can go and just start taking a look at generate. Let's just start there. There is a lot of different types of videos. You have social media, kids, education, drama, narrative, and we'll probably choose one of these. I'll probably use a little bit of help from AI on the side in order to, if we go over here to social media, then it's going to filter these out based on, so here's all the types of videos that you can create. Now, if I went over here to like maybe education, you have general creation, bilingual story, bilingual dialogue, history for kids, some good stuff, bedtime stories, famous quotes, narrative right over here. This one might be pretty cool. Let's go and take a look at this over here. My alternative life, autobiography in 60 seconds. You have entertainment over here, faceless short videos. We might want to just start there. And then mindfulness, there's a bunch right there. So I'm going to go with entertainment. We're going to go with a faceless short video. We're going to type in, you can go over here to use my content. You can paste your script right here. Looks like you get 5,000 characters right here. You can choose 16 by 9, 9 by 16, and square 1 by 1. And they have a bunch of different settings right over here. We're going to go to generate a prompt right over here. And let's just go save 5 hidden features of your smartwatch you're missing, let's just go with that one, right? We've got these prompts over here. We can go output language English. That's great. Tone neutral, humor and satire, children's business, academic, other, or you can just type what you want. Let's go with a humor and satire and see what it can do for it. And then we have our AI avatar that we can go and select over here. There is a lot of AI avatars over here. Let's keep going. Really cool. Let's go with an animal that might be kind of funny. We'll just go with that one, like the fox. And then we will go with a 9x16. We have photorealistic, picture book, 3D cartoon. You've got a lot of different options here. I'm going to go with photorealistic just to see what it can do for it right over here. Once you have your settings over there, kind of interesting that there's no like button over here to click. You actually have to come over here and just push generate. Generate storyboard and create script first. So they have a lot of options the way that you would like to create your video. But let's get this video started and it's going to start generating. You have a big number over here that shows the percentage of complete. We're at 5% right now. I'm going to pause video and we'll be right back. Okay, so that was super, super fast. I mean, that was like extremely fast. It's going to split it up for each sentence. So you've got your smartwatch can track your naps, perfect for the secret ninja sleeper. Use your watch as a remote camera shutter. Yes, selfies just got hands-free. So we have all of these 5 scenes that it's created for us. Now what we want to do is these, I believe, are just the images, and you could just keep it like this and publish. Or you can push this animate all. And if we push the animate all scenes at once takes longer to generate. You can check mark the high quality. Of course, I'm going to do that right now. It's going to tell you how many credits, 272 credits, estimated 2 minutes to completion. Let's push OK. So now I want to see what we do next. We can go and download this. We can go and take a look at it. Each scene is right here. We can replace, we can regenerate. Once we have all this, we can either download the clips one by one, or I believe we can push next if we're happy. Now we can go and add the subtitles. We can also come over here and there's our little mascot or our AI character. We can go in here and add the subtitles if we want. So we can have the Ken Burns effect, shake, move, mini zoom, and none. So we can have all those turned on. Choose which one we like on scene effects, scene transitions, a lot of different things we can add. They have flash. We're just going to leave it on everything default for now. I want to see what it can come up with. Voiceover, low, medium, and high. And we can start looking at what this might sound like.
Life is like a box of chocolate.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. Hi there. If I'm not back in 5 minutes, just wait longer.
Okay, so we'll go with that one. That sounds fine. So we'll select that one. We have our AI avatar layout. You can choose what you want it to look like. Then we have our AI music right over here. I'm going to go ahead and just turn the music. I don't want music on here. So how do we do that? I'm going to say none, because in these videos, I've always done these and for whatever reason, it never fails. I'll always get hit with like a copyright on this. So I'm just not going to show the music on here, but it looks like they have a lot of music to choose from. I'm just going to say none for now. Click this button, composite, and we have our 5 scenes, our hashtags, and it's going to go ahead and load for us. So it is giving us a summary that we could use for our description, our title right there, 5 scenes, here's our hashtags, and here is the full script and a prompt right there. So now kind of waiting, adding music and text styles. You can see the percentage of completeness right here along the way. We're at 43%. And it's saying it's compositing. I would rather use a different term like rendering or something like that. Creating, rendering, but we are at 68% right there. All right, so here's what it will look like after you render your video. We can go and download this. We can do a drop down here and we can get a thumbnail, a video, and we can share this as well. So let's go ahead and do full screen and push play and see what this 34-second video was able to create for us.
Your smartwatch can track your naps. Perfect for the secret ninja sleeper. Use your watch as a remote camera shutter. Yes, selfies just got hands-free. Discover customizable watch faces. Your wrist, your boring-proof art gallery. It has a built-in compass. Never get lost in your living room again. Monitor your stress levels. So give your therapist a run for their money.
Okay, perfect. So something that I noticed was one of the scenes where the guy's thumb is just all over the place. It looks really weird. This scene right here, I want you to pay attention to this area right here. Let's go back over here. So look at the fingers here on this as we scroll through right here. Look at this. It just doesn't look right as we go right here. So look at that right there. So you got a hand, you got a thumb here, but then you got another extra thumb sticking out right there. So that's not good. So what you would end up doing is, and that costs credits, right? So we need to be aware of those things. But what you would do is you'd need to go back in to the editing function of this video, right? And this is the subtitle, this is the title area, and we would want to go back. And you would want to actually, after creating the scenes, you're going to want to come through here and you're going to want to push play and see what's going on. And you can just see that that's just really messed up right there. So you'll just push the regenerate button. And it's going to cost 2 credits, so they're not costing that many credits at all to regenerate. If you really want the highest quality videos, I do recommend going through each scene and actually taking a look at them before doing your final render. That way you can be happy with, and this one does massive wrinkles on the skin or on the hand. And that's an image. Let's see, now we would need to push the animate button. It's going to cost another 24 credits to animate that. It does take some credits in order to get what you want. The way that I look at this is that you're going to need to spend the time that it takes to get the right results, prompt it correctly. And this is probably not going to be your software that you're going to be creating hundreds of videos, blasting them out per month, but you're probably going to get higher quality videos if you do it right. Now I want to go back and show you we'll go back to home, and you can actually see in the gallery, we can actually take a look at some of the really high quality videos. Let's take a look at this one right here, which is 26 scenes. It is a 16:9 video and it's 3 minutes long. Here we go.
On a bright, sunny afternoon, young Alice sat on the riverbank with her older sister. She was growing bored with the book her sister was reading, as it had no pictures or dialogues. Suddenly, Alice noticed a white rabbit, surprisingly wearing a waistcoat and holding a pocket watch, muttering to itself about being late.
In the heart of the small, fog-shrouded town of Blackthorn, nestled between the dense, ever-whispering pines, sat a crumbling Victorian manor. Inside this haunting house was a doll, a ragged porcelain figure with eyes that glittered unnaturally under the pitch-black night. This doll, known as Eleonora, was infamous in the town for reasons no one dared speak of openly. Lydia, an antique enthusiast, arrived in Blackthorn after her curiosity was piqued by tales of the cursed doll. Driven by a fascination with the arcane secrets of the past, she found herself at the doorstep of the Rutherford estate, the manor's off-hinged front door bemoaning her arrival with an eerie creak. It's only a doll, she reminded herself.
Crazy. Now, this is all AI, this is actually pretty cool. If you created a video like this, if you could really get down to creating high quality videos like this, everything is seamless. It's telling a story. This is taking care of all the visuals and everything for you. Very impressed with this. We'll click over here on AI tools. They have an image background editor and image style transfer right there. Here's your projects right here. You can add your own media right here and your gallery right over here. This is Mootion. Just launched on AppSumo. While there is going to be some AI issues with some of the videos, you're going to have to re-render. Yes, it takes your credits and so forth. But I don't think that you could use any AI technically right now that you wouldn't get finger mistakes and some things that you would have to regenerate. So I can't fault too much on that. But with the fact that I don't know exactly what they're using to create these, Sora or any of the latest technologies, and then just you have to look at the credits. And so those are the only 2 things that I kind of see a little bit like I would dial back my scoring system for. But at the end of the day, I do think that, based on their business model, I do still think it's high quality, even though there was the weird finger and stuff like that. I think that you can, when we go and look at the videos that people have been able to create in the gallery, they're pretty exceptional and they make you think like, wow, I can't believe AI was actually able to create this. That part actually is pretty interesting to me. And I think that you could create some really cool videos using only AI to create the voiceover, the script, and the visuals. It's an all-in-one tool. I'm going to give this a 4.3 out of 5 because, like I said, the credit system, I don't think you'll be able to create very many videos, but you will be able to create some really cool videos. Just the credit system and maybe replace and regenerate some of the videos. But other than that, I think this is a pretty solid tool. 4.3 out of 5 stars. This is Mootion, just launched on AppSumo. You can go check it out and pick this up while it's on lifetime deal with the link below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.